Okay, so welcome to problem 6 of our fraction series in 5th grade. So we have, again, a whole bunch of numbers, but it's also asking for two products and their differences. So let's see what we can do here. Over here we have 1/7 plus 1/9 plus 1/11. So I'm going to call that K because that's the first letter to my name. So then rewritten in K, we're going to have K plus 1/5 times K plus 1/7 minus K plus 1/13 plus 1/5 times K. Again, we have K squared plus 1/5 K squared, K plus 1/7 K plus 1/35 minus K squared minus 1/13 K minus 1/5 K. Now we see what we can cancel out. So we have the 1/5 K's, the K squared, and the over here we're supposed to have 1/13 K, 1/13, right? And we have 1/13 K and minus 1/13 K, so that also cancels out. So in the end, our final answer is 1/35.